Hi, my name is Bill Barney. I'm with Community Dish in Pahrump, Nevada. I'm an SBCA licensed installer, that's Satellite Broadcast Communications Association, and I'd like to help you with your satellite installation. We're now going to program the Dish Network remote to control the satellite receiver. The first step in doing that is to come back, and on the right side panel you'll find the System Info button. With the receiver off, you press the System Info button. Once that has been pressed, the System Info screen should come up on the television. Once the System Information screen has been brought up, you'll notice that there is a green number 1 and a blue number 2. This is the System Info screen on a Dish Network dual tuner. That's one receiver that controls 2 TVs independently. The number 1 also being coordinated to the number 1 remote with the green bottom. Next to the number 1 is the number 5. That indicates the remote address that this remote is currently programmed to. It comes default on number 1. We're going to change that address by holding the SAT button down on the upper left-hand corner of the remote. Press and hold the SAT button. It's a mode button on the top part of the remote. It's on the left-hand side of the remote, reading left to right. It's the first button in the line of mode buttons. Press and hold it till all the other mode buttons turn red. Once they turn red, release the button. The SAT button will be flashing. Pick a number between 1 and 14. We're going to use the number 3. Press the number 3, then pound to lock that code in. Once it is flashed 3 times, press record 3 times on your remote. Then look at the remote number on the System Info screen and make sure that it has changed the corresponding number that you pressed on your Dish Network remote. And that completes programming the satellite remote to the satellite receiver.